Hello, welcome to PCBMay. Behind me, you can see one of the most important steps in PCB assembly, solder paste printing. This process applies solder paste accordingly onto the pad of the bare PCB, preparing it for SMT components placement. Here at PCBMay, we start every SMT assembly with precision solder paste printing. This printer behind me uses a stainless steel stencil and optical ligament to deposit solder paste exactly on the PCB pad. This step is very critical because of the quality of solder paste. Printing determines the quality of the entire assembly. That's why we take no shortcuts. Precision at this stage means reliability in the final product. Thank you.